In today's video, I'm going to show how to use an extractor kit to remove a stripped bolt or nut. I use this tool in a much larger video, which I will put a link down below to that video, which was how to replace an exhaust manifold. Here is the bolt that got stripped, and here is the 12mm socket that fit on it. Now, as you can see, I can move that socket a lot. That's because it was seized so bad that it actually stripped. Couldn't get a grip on it. Anyway, this is how I got it out. This is an extractor kit. I got this years ago. It was relatively expensive. I think it was like 40 bucks. But I've only used it a couple times, but it's got me out of some binds. So here's what you do, is you take the extractor. This is a 12mm one. See, it's marked there. Put it on the offending bolt like this. And what it'll do is, as you turn it, and again, don't, just ease onto this with the pressure because you don't want to strip it worse, but it will bite in. See those? Hopefully this can. See the cutting edges there? So put it on like that. Then, well, you got this unit here, but the way I used it, take a socket of the proper size to fit over this, which, what is this, 3/4? And then, obviously, put the ratchet on it, which is here, like so. And then you ease onto it, going counterclockwise, obviously, and remove it like that. Incidentally, I have a video on that particular socket set. I will put a link down below the video. Anyway, that's how I got that bolt out of there.